How to convert a Word document to PDF. Method 1. Convert a Word document to PDF using Microsoft Word. We will use Microsoft Word 2021 for demonstration purposes. Open the document you want to convert using Microsoft Word. Click File in the menu bar. Click Save As. In the Save As screen, choose where to save the PDF file. Then, open the Save As Type drop-down menu and select PDF. Select Optimization for printing or publishing online. You can also click Options and select the specific pages instead of the entire document. Change the file name if you want to, and click Save. The PDF file will open automatically in your default PDF viewing application. Method 2. Export a Word document to PDF using Microsoft Word. Open the document you want to convert using Microsoft Word. Click File in the menu bar. Click Export. Select Create PDF/XPS document and click Create PDF/XPS. Select Optimization for printing or publishing online. You can also click Options and select the specific pages instead of the entire document. Change the file name if you want to, and click Publish. The PDF file will open automatically in your default PDF viewing application. Method 3. Convert a Word document to PDF using Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to google.com. Click the Google Apps icon at the top right corner and click Google Drive. Then go to the location of your Word document, select it, and drag and drop it to your Google Drive. Open the file once it has been uploaded. Click File in the menu bar, select Download, and click PDF document. The file will be downloaded to your Downloads folder. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.